don't see many people smiling about a snowstorm, but today on the South Shore, residents there seemed more than happy to dig out just a few inches of snow. As WBZ's Bill Shields shows us, people are taking it all in stride and pretty much said, we were due.
You just knew we weren't going to escape winter. Sooner or later, the shovels would have to come out, and streets would be occupied by snowplows. 4 to 5 inches of snow, no problem.
Yeah, it's New England. That's what happens here. You got to get used to it.
Especially in February.
Yeah.
Finally, the kids could enjoy winter. Big people, too. Jenny and Greg O'Neill couldn't have had a better day at Duxbury Beach if it was July.
We're having a great day. We're taking advantage of being outside and getting some fresh air and a little exercise.
It's been fairly mild, so it's not super cold, and it just feels great to get out and walk and get some fresh air.
In Scituate, the ocean that frequently pummels the shoreline was docile. An ideal winter day if you're 80-year-old Beverly McCafferty.
As long as we can luck out like this, I'll take it.
South of the Pike, snow totals were about 5 inches in a lot of towns, enough to put a small dent in snow removal budgets.
Yeah, it's not too bad. We haven't been that bad this year yet because we haven't had any major storms, but it's about $65,000, $70,000 worth.
I know it's just mid-February, but all in all, this was a piece of cake.
Oh, I think it's beautiful. We've been needing and lacking snow all winter. Cleans everything up.
So for most people, this little snowstorm didn't amount to much. It wasn't really a problem. But if you remember last year, this same week, we had 70-degree temperatures. Then March rolled in, and we had a series of nor'easters. In Duxbury, I'm Bill Shields, WBZ News.